First question is, prove that UE equal to UB for electromagnetic waves, where UE is the average density of oscillations of the electric vector E and UB is the average density of the oscillation of magnetic vector B. We know that UE equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught E square, and for electromagnetic wave we have written that C equal to E by B. That means speed of the electromagnetic wave is the ratio of electric field vector and the magnetic field vector. So this can implies that E equal to CB, and substituting the value of C here, we will have half epsilon naught into CB square. It is equal to 1 by 2 epsilon naught C square B square, and the speed of electromagnetic wave in vacuum is C equal to 1 by square root of mu naught epsilon naught. This implies that C square equal to 1 by mu naught epsilon naught. And replacing the value of C square here, we will have half epsilon naught into 1 by mu naught epsilon naught into B square. And this epsilon naught get cancelled and remaining is 1 by 2 mu epsilon naught into B square. And this is the average density of the magnetic field. Second question is, for the electromagnetic wave given by B equal to 3 into 10 power minus 8 sine 1.6 into 10 power 3 x plus 48 into 10 power 10 t, unit vector j, and it is in unit Tesla, find the electric field. If we compare this relation with the standard, then this will be the B naught, that is the amplitude of the magnetic field vector. This 1.6 into 10 power 3, because it is k, it is the propagation constant, and 48 into 10 power 10 is omega, angular frequency, and vector B is in the y direction. Because B is in the form of B naught sine kx plus omega t. Here the sign between the kx plus omega t are of same sign, that is positive. It means this wave is propagating in minus x direction, and this minus x direction can be represented by minus I. So propagation constant have the direction along the minus I. Now we will use two basic relations which we have already mentioned, that C equal to E by B or E naught by B naught, and the direction of propagation, that is K, is along C E cross B. So we can find E naught equal to CB naught. C, that is speed of electromagnetic wave, it is 3 into 10 power 8, and B naught is given by 3 into 10 raised to power minus 8, and it will be 9 into 10 power 8 minus 8, that is 0. So 10 power 0 is 1, this term is 1. So ultimately E naught will be 9. Now we have to find the direction of electric field. We know that direction of propagation is along the E cross B, and B is given along the direction J, and propagation is given along the direction minus I. So we have to choose the direction of E in such a way that its cross product with J gives the I. We know K cross J will give the value minus I. So from this we can conclude that E is along the direction K, that is Z axis. Hence finally we can write electric field is equal to E naught, that is 9, then sine. This parameter will be same because direction of propagation and other wavelength and frequency are same for the electric and magnetic field vector. So we can write it is K 1.6 into 10 power 3 x plus 48 into 10 power 10 t, and now direction of the electric field vector is along K. So we write here K, and unit of the electric field is Newton per Coulomb. This is the answer. Next question is, a plane electromagnetic wave propagating along I plus j by root 2 with its polarization along the direction k. The correct form of the magnetic field of the wave would be. In this question, the direction of propagation, that is k, is along I plus j by root 2, and we know direction of propagation is along the vector E cross B. Another information given is polarization along the direction k. That means because polarization is along the direction of electric field vector, so we can say electric field is along the direction k. Now we have to find the direction of B to write the correct form of the magnetic field. So this k is along I plus j by root 2. It is a unit vector and it is the cross product of k multiplied by or the cross product with B. So we have to choose B in such a way that its cross product give I plus j by root 2. If we check, we will have this B is I minus j by root 2 because k cross I will give j and k cross j will give minus I. So we can write it is k cross I minus j by root 2 equal to root 2 and k cross I is j minus and k cross j is minus I. So it is equal to I plus j by root 2, which is the direction along the k. So we can say that k is along the direction I minus j by root 2. Hence, the B will be written as the magnitude of the B will be B naught into cos omega t because direction of propagation is I plus j by root 2, it is in positive direction, so it is minus I plus j by root 2 k is the propagation constant and direction of magnetic field vector is along the and the direction of magnetic field vector is along the direction this I minus j by root 2, so it is I minus j by root 2. Hence in this way this gives the magnetic field vector with the given information.